Doze on the track. Doze on the track. Doze on the track.
Indian joined the letter trade and all that. So this means and plant is going to boost our economy and all the benefits. So here I am briefing about events. Today we are going to demonstrate cultural shows and cultural performance of India as well. Here you will have participants and prominents.
Or it's our wedding day, or the child of the next generation, I think the first instance of our life is always the most memorable one. And this is today what is the overwhelming feeling we have. And believe me, when I was having my wedding, I never had this kind of process which I felt today actually. So thank you, His Excellency, for making it me, feeling that experience. So thank you. One big round of applause again.
Pleasure to be with you today. This is the end of my journey, this journey to India, and I've been visiting India many times over the last number of years, and I have to say this is an incredible experience here today. To just be at the opening of a facility by, for us, a Canadian company, but to be celebrating such
officials who are here today who helped to make this happen. I'd like to offer a special congratulations to Christopher Miller and the Zypex India team, in particular Ashwini Kumar, the managing director, on this important milestone in the journey of this company.
With you.
1, 2, 4,
5, 6.
Canada.
8.
9. Aja.
Okay.